Hello vlog, kind of. We're doing a cleaning vlog today. Skyly, we got lots to do around here. Lots and lots and lots to clean. So that's what we're gonna do today.
I'm not gonna be cleaning this.
She is. Should we show them your room?
No.
Yeah, I think we should. See what your room looks like. I work full-time and I work part-time, so the weekends is when we do the cleaning. I've already done some of it. I did the kitchen. So now we gotta do the dining room and living room. She's gonna go do the litter box and change the whole litter. And yeah, so if you like cleaning videos, watch this one, right? She'll be helping me too, whether she wants to or not. Cute top is from Fabletics. Pants are from Fabletics. Love Fabletics so much. They're great, just in case anybody's wondering. Peace. So these Think protein bars that you guys see in this clip are a protein bar that I thought were for kids because they also have a kids version, but these are just the regular ones. I got them for my daughter to try. She gets stomach aches from taking her medicine that she takes for ADHD in the morning, and the nurse calls me sometimes, so I got those to try out with her. Hopefully they turn out good and she likes them. They're 10 grams of protein. They have like 5 grams of fiber and like 3 grams of sugar. They're like 150 calories, so I'm hoping they'll be good for her.
Okay, so we need some measuring cup. We need little thingamabobs. Okay, if it will.
Okay, you can open this if you want.
So look, if it will let you see, we have to use these. We have to use a measuring cup basically, and we have to use 2 eggs, I think.
How much oil is it?
That much.
Half a cup? Okay.
Half a cup of.
So this is what you need to do. Put this in here. Okay.
Yeah.
So I figured I would do a voiceover because this clip is kind of long, and I decided to speed it up because it was like a 6-minute clip of you guys watching my kid make brownies. I basically let her do this all by herself. She asked me a few questions and I helped her mix it a little bit towards the end, and I'm talking right there about using avocado oil because I couldn't find any spray oil. So I used avocado oil, and then I used like one of those little butter like things I use for bread to mix it around on the pan. But anyways, I let my daughter pretty much do this all on her own. She loves to help me cook. I would love to make more cooking videos with her. I love that she's 9 and very intrigued by this. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Sorry it's kind of long and kind of boring, but I wanted to put it in because I filmed it, so hope that's okay.
right there is turning into slime for some reason.
So satisfying video.
Really?
We did the other one too. Crunch. Shoot. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Just kidding, it's been the same vlog for like 4 days. So, we had a family reunion today. Of course I didn't video any of it because I'm the worst vlogger ever, but I'm about to show you guys my kids' lunch for tomorrow. If you guys are interested in it, I don't have my tripod, so I'm trying to hold this and open her lunchbox at the same time. Hold on just a second. So, this is what her lunchbox looks like. Excuse the Duncan. It's just like a little zipper lunchbox. Okay? Okay. So, she has tea in her cup. Tea. And she has carrots with ranch in this little container. Nice, nice. And she has, for a snack, a fruit roll-up, if I can get it out. Fruit roll-up. It's like one of those ones that you like can like put the tattoos on your tongues or whatever. And then she has pepperonis and cheese. So I wanted to talk about something real quick, as long as my camera doesn't die. Phone, whatever. I'm using my phone right now. My lovely camera cannot charge because I do not know where a charger is. I need to order one. Anyways, the brownies we made turned out fabulous. They're almost gone. People have been eating the crap out of them since last night, so that's good. You know, sorry the lighting's weird, whatever. So I wanted to talk to you guys about these bars. They are called Think Protein Bars. One of them is s'mores, and one of them is vanilla cupcake, or cupcake batter, sorry. Yeah, so they each have 10 grams of protein, 5 grams of fiber, 5 grams of sugar. They're gluten-free, GMO-free, and low GI, whatever that means, I have no idea. Looks like the s'mores one is 150 calories and the cupcake one is also 150 calories. So I got these for my kid to stick in her lunchbox. Or not lunchbox, but in her school bag. That way she can have them if for whatever reason her stomach starts turning, because she's ADHD and she takes medicine in the morning. I got these to put on strawberries, like little packets, so she can take them to school with her. And I also got these. I'm such a bad mom. I already have cookies on there too. But we do got bananas. We got strawberries. We got some granola bars, different flavors. Walmart kind is good. We're good. We got this. It's fine. The kind of vitamin. So like, this is what I do, because I don't have any other kids. I just have the one. I set her vitamin and her pill out in this little like metal cupcake thing, and I set it on top of her vitamin thing, which is right here. So like, I take this and I set it up here, so that way I'm not here in the mornings because I work overnights. She can just grab it, she can take her pill, she can take her vitamin, and then she's gonna take her happy little self over here to the fridge, and she's gonna grab one of these, which is a nutritional shake, and this one is banana flavored. She can either drink the whole one or she can drink a half of one, and she can drink it on her way to school, whatever floats her fancy, because that also helps her stomach not to hurt. Otherwise, she eats cereal, which is up here. We have, you know, the not healthy cereals, whatever, don't judge me, and that's what she has. So that's kind of what we do for lunches. And then I get these. I have her pick. Normally it's sweet tea, which one she wants in her cup, and that's how we do drinks. So yeah, I just wanted to make this little fast clip to end the vlog here, because I'm gonna go ahead and edit it and put it all together, and I'm so sorry that it was just me talking, rambling most of the time. By the way, this is a iced latte with 3 pumps of Heath Swirl, 1 caramel, and almond milk. It's delicious. Dunkin' Donuts coffees, the lattes and cappuccinos are $2 from 2 to 6. You're welcome. I work overnight, so those are like perfect hours for me. She had cheer today. I'm trying to snag some videos, but they didn't post any on their page. I was gonna try to post some. They did like a cheer Olympics today, which I thought was a great idea. Anyways, I'm tired. I'm gonna go to sleep for a little bit, and then I gotta go to work in like 2 or 3 hours. So thank you for watching, and please come back. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We post new videos when we feel like it.